This video explains how to complete the midterm reflection assignment. The midterm reflection assignment is an opportunity to take a step back and reflect on how things have went so far. So you'll respond to the following prompts thoughtfully and thoroughly, giving specific examples to help illustrate your ideas. So in all, there are 10 plus responses. You'll see there are 2 sections. When you're ready to complete the assignment, you'll click here. I recommend taking notes either on a Word document or on a piece of paper, just how you might answer these questions, brainstorming what your answers are to these questions before you respond. We are asking you to write up to a paragraph for each response. So in order to meet that requirement and to be thorough, you want to have a lot of detail. And so in order to generate that detail, it's always a good idea to think about how you're going to respond before you start responding. Once you've done that, you're ready to create your journal entry. It's recommended that you copy and paste the questions. Again, you can answer those here, or you can answer directly below. And post entry.